Hey everyone, it's Marcus here with Kenwood, and today we're going to talk about modifying your saddlebags on a Harley-Davidson to fit our 6x9 speakers. So we have three different flavors of saddlebag cutting kits. Now initially we introduced a replacement lid for the earlier 98 to 13 bikes. We have since introduced a cut-in kit which skips the need to have those lids paint matched, so you can just simply modify the original lids to fit our 6x9 speakers. We also have a cut-in kit for the latter bikes, the 2014s to 2023 bikes. This allows you to also cut those factory lids and add in provisions for our speakers, and introducing our newest cut-in lid kit for the 2024. This one is a new version of the older bikes, so it's of course changed the body style, and we have to change the lid kit to match. So this kit also allows you to cut it in, adding that 6x9, and comes with all the provisions to make that fitment look like it was factory installed. So the three kits that we have available are the CA-CUT98. This fits the bikes from 1998 to 2013. We have a CA-CUT14. This fits the bikes from 2014 up into 2022. And then we have the CA-CUT24, where this is going to fit the newer versions of the latest Harley-Davidsons. So for more information about our Harley-Davidson cut-in kits, head over to kenwood.com/USA and check out all the different kits we offer to modify your Harley-Davidson to our upgraded Excelon Motorsports 6x9 speakers.